Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with another homepage copy teardown, and it's from Tensor Social. So it's another, lead reach out SaaS tool, and it's for finding social media insights and finding the right type of, influences for your business. So we're going to do a teardown here, and after that, I would do a quick fix of their call to action. So here I've got the notes, I've got the snaps, and I'm going to, add those notes here. Uh, what's about headline? 100 million plus influencers, one click away. It's a very, catchy headline. And what I liked about it is this figure. Stats are always known to have, they sort of elicit authority. They create authority. So if your headline contains stats on it, it's a good headline depending on the case. Scale your influencer marketing goals with AI-powered data on over 100 million plus Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube profiles. So again, the best thing I liked about the headline is that number one, headline and subheadline features the biggest benefit, and both of them show stats and social media channel names to catch attentions, to attract the visitor, and create authority, right? Okay, so after this part, actually right here, they ask you to get started, but this get started thing, I mean, it's good to create some sort of, social proof that here you're making a claim, and right here you're asking them to get started, so they can just click this button and they can see what this tool is good for. But they could do it in a much better way. For example, I did a homepage tear down of this website, findthatlead.com, and if you can see here, right after making claims, they give you a chance to test them. So there is nothing better than this, right? And there is another thing that these guys missed, Tensor Social guys missed, and that is a hardcore social proof. Right when you make a claim, people want to know how good you are, like how true are your claims. So a hardcore social proof, something like this, logos and names of the companies that you're working with, companies that are using your tool, it could have been a good idea. So that is a problem that I have, noticed. Let me add another comment here. No, yeah, no hardcore social proof part. And by the way, there are more than one way to give a social proof. It could be names and logos of companies that you're working with. It could be screenshots of social media comments. It could be video reviews, testimonials, anything like that. Now, then we come to this features part, features and benefits part. Data for any campaign. Tensor Social was built by a team of data science experts and marketing veterans. Tensor gives you the data you need, no matter the size of your agency or brand, to launch a successful marketing campaign. So yeah, I mean, this part is fine. I would say headline could be more catchy, and I would explain this in a while. So this cross-head is actually good because it, inspires. I'm sorry, it creates authority for the owners via mentioning, their expertise, whatever. Now let's get to the detail. Demographic insights, filter from over 90 million plus Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, segmenting by age, gender, or audience, ethnicity, geographic insight. Uh, right. So filter from 87 million plus Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Segmenting by country, state, province, or city. Psychographic insights, unlocking a new layer of insights. Psychographics using our proprietary 13-point behavioral signature system. We can match your brand with the perfect influencer audience. So all these sub headlines, this part actually, they are they are based on basic benefits that this tool provides to you, basic features, let's say, but the headline aren't revealing much. So if I am a visitor, and as they say that I have that attention span of a goldfish, I would definitely like to know in a moment what this feature is all about. So your headlines should actually sort of introduce a benefit or a value, and then lure the reader into reading the remaining part. So let me take notes here. Features explained very well. Use of stats and technical details to create authority. What's lacking is headlines without adequate mentioning of the benefits or value of these features. So why I'm saying this again, I would go back to this example from Find That Lead. If you take a look at here, this is their features section. Take the guesswork out of bounced emails and have our advanced algorithm quickly verify an email, right? So the headline for this part is emails verified in seconds. Build solid email campaigns. I don't have to read this detail if I'm such a, if I'm in such a hurry, if I am that type of visitor who would, click this cross button in a second or two, instead of just, getting into detail, diving deeper into detail. I would love to know something here, right here in the headlines. So these headlines, they are based on benefits. They catch your attention, and they compel you to read this detail, and this is what's lacking here. So same I would say about this. I mean, they did very well. It's a job well done as far as the explanation of features is concerned, but these headlines could be much better. All right, so audience and influencer insights all in one platform. Now here they are, explaining some basic functions that you can, use this tool for. Audience and influencer insights all in one platform, from discovery to reporting. Tensor has everything you need to run successful data-driven social media marketing campaigns for your brand or agency. Tensor discovery, search from over 90 million influencers. So it's a sort of repetition here. They should have avoid repetition. Right, repetition in the section, attractive headlines, use of stats and all that I've already mentioned. Tensor tracking and reporting. Tensor reports allow you to view granular insights about influencers and their audiences down to the individual follower. So see it in action by getting your first report free. So premium they mentioned that you can get first report free of cost. And okay. Adequate detail. Basically, it's a job well done. Tensor Lightning and monitor your brand or see who monitors your brand with Tensor Lightning. This feature will be available to all subscribers in summer 2020. So this is a feature that is yet to come. So the problem with this type of headlines is that they tell you what it is, which is fine, but they do not tell you what it does. So Tensor lightning and monitoring. What am I going to do with that lightning and monitoring? What is this actually? I can't get the faintest of idea by only reading this headline. So this should have been, improved by making it simple, just like these guys did. Okay. And then we get to the CTA section where I'm going to make improvements. But before I make improvements, let us take a look at that section and see what's wrong with it. Okay, so this is their headline, ready to get started. It's a question-based headline, and then the sub is not sure if Tensor can help you understand or campaigns better or find audiences better. I mean, it's not even clear. Let's take a look at this thing again. Not sure if Tensor can help you understand or campaigns better or find audiences faster. I think this should have been campaign, not campaigns, but still it's a pretty vague subheadline. And the main, the problem that I have, let me mention it here. Ready to get started, headline, fine, subheadline could be more clear and they could avoid a question based sub because headline is already a question. So not sure if Tensor can help you understand or campaigns better or find audiences faster, sign up for free. So I get the idea what they're trying to say, but it could have been said in a much better way. And it's not only about, taking care of ambiguity. We can do much better to this CTA. So let me just get rid of this. And I'm going to show you how we can improve the CTA. So ready to get started, instead of this, there should have been some, benefit-based headline. I mean, that could include this part. For example, ready to get started with social media dominance. So it gives a hints even in this part. if you would reach, if you would, get to this part, definitely it means that you have read everything in most of the cases. But still, it's a good idea to, introduce a benefit or a value in your, CTA section. CTA's headline, right? Not sure if Telstra can help you understand or campaign better or find audiences faster. So that this is something that is written to address certain objections in someone's mind. I would rather have it here. Not sure if Tensor can help you dominate social media, find best type of influencers for your business. Take our free trial. So this is sort of an objection buster. It is to bust the possible objections that a lead might have in their mind. I would erase this part, and here I would actually add some other detail. So this is what we want them to do, and here we have addressed certain fears and anxieties that might have their mind, but we need to tell them, we need to explain, we need to repeat what we can do for them, uh, what value we offer to them with this tool. So I would basically steal some copy from their homepage, filter over 90 million Instagram, TikTok, YouTube accounts, get geographic insights, psychographic insights, auditing and social ranking. So I would add all that detail. Access to, I think it's 90 million plus, yes. 90, 90 million plus social media influencers. Get insights based on demographic, geographic insights, psychographic insights. So actually, let's just write it down the same way. Demographic insights, geographic insights, and psychographic insights. In case you do not know what psychographic insights are, you need to Google psychographs and have a look at them, because they are some wonderful tools to understand your target audience. So now this is a near perfect CTA. It introduces a main benefit or value. It tells them what they would get with your tool. Basically, you are just repeating the benefits slash features in this part, right? To reassure them what they're going to get. You're telling them what you want them to do. And I'm sorry for this part. I mean, it got blended with this, footer, but it says not sure if Tensor can help you dominate social media and find the best type of influencers for your business. Take our free trial. So basically, this is how you write a CTA for a home page, or basically for any type of page, because it is based on a three-pronged strategy that I've already told you. And another thing that they should have done here, because when you are asking someone to take some action, they need more than a little push. They need, a bigger push, and you provide that bigger push with testimonials and reviews or any kind of social proof that you can muster. So if you don't have a social proof to show here, if you have any, if you have any partners or clients to show, you can show them right here. You can show one or two testimonials, and this way you can make your offer more appealing. So this is it, guys. I hope you loved this teardown of Tensor Social's homepage. I would get back to you very soon with another teardown. Till then,